Hey guys, happy Tuesday. Wanted to do a couple things with you guys real quick. The first one, you get to get your bouncing shoes on because you're going to hop like a kangaroo if the word starts with the K sound, okay? So you're going to hop, it starts with K, the K sound, kind of like a C, but it is different. First word is kid, kid. I heard it right there. Hop like a kangaroo. Next one is bike. Bike. You could be frozen for this one. You could sign or show an X with your hands. Bike starts with a B. How about reading? Reading. Another X for that one. Next we have kick. Kick. Hop like a kangaroo. The kick actually starts with a K and ends with a K. There's a CK at the end, guys. Next one, keep. 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 Last one, kindergarten. You guys should know this one. You're in kindergarten, which does start with the K. Now, a lot of times, friends, when we hear the K sound, it is with the vowel that's an I or an E, like kindergarten, kids, the keep, okay? You don't usually see a K with an A. That's usually C goes with letter A. Okay, next thing. I'm going to give you some words, and we have to figure out if they start with the K sound or the W sound, okay? So we're going to write the letter for each one, and then we'll count up at the end and see which one has more. So you could, if you have a paper and like a pencil or a crayon next to you, you could write them with me right now, or wait until the end and then write the letters on your own once we know how many of each we make. First word is wind. Wind. Kind. Wind. I'm going to write a W on this side for wind. So W is up right now. It has one. Next one is wave. Wave. Another, is it a cave? Wave. Uh-oh, W has two K's. You better make a comeback. Kingdom. Kingdom. True lives in the rainbow kingdom. Kingdom. If it was a W, it would be a wingdom. Kingdom starts with K. Next is kite. You fly a kite. Kite starts with K. And the vowel is an I. Ite. Okay. Next one, kept. He kept his room clean. Kept. If kept started with a W sound, it would be wept. Wept. And that means like you crying, and that's sad. But kept starts with a K. All right, guys. K has three. W has two. Waterfall. Waterfall. It's a W. It's tied. Waterfall. Next one, kiss. I give Perry kisses on her forehead, and she does not like it. Kiss does start with a K sound, guys. If it was a W, it would be a whisk. Okay, so K's up right now. Two more. Kind. You guys are all kind friends at school. Kind. Another K. And then the last one, kitchen. You cook in the kitchen. Kitchen's going to be another K. The winner. Let's count them. K has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 K's that you could write, and only 1, 2, 3 W's. Okay, so K was the winner. Good job, K. That's good because we're learning about you this week. So that's all I have for you today, guys. You guys can watch the like video that's next. Our popcorn word like, L-I-K-E. I like potato chips. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. I will see you tomorrow.